Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the best electric trucks of 2025. Over the next few minutes, we'll take a deep dive into the world of electric pickups, examining the most advanced, powerful, and innovative electric trucks on the market. The electric truck segment is evolving at an astonishing pace, with major automakers and newcomers alike pushing the boundaries of what these vehicles can do. From impressive towing capacities to cutting-edge technology and extended driving ranges, electric trucks in 2025 are redefining performance and sustainability. Whether you're a truck enthusiast, a potential buyer, or simply curious about the future of electric vehicles, this video will guide you through the most exciting electric trucks of the year. Let's get started. 1. Tesla Cybertruck, the futuristic pioneer. One of the most talked about electric trucks remains the Tesla Cybertruck. With its futuristic angular design and stainless steel exoskeleton, the Cybertruck looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. In 2025, Tesla has refined the Cybertruck even further, offering multiple configurations that cater to different needs. The tri-motor variant delivers staggering performance with over 800 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. This remarkable speed doesn't compromise utility, as the truck offers a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds and a range exceeding 500 miles on a single charge. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities continue to evolve, providing advanced driver assistance and autonomous features. Inside, the Cybertruck's minimalist cabin features a massive touchscreen interface and ample space, making it both futuristic and practical. The Cybertruck is more than just a truck, it's a technological marvel pushing the limits of electric performance. 2. Ford F-150 Lightning, America's favorite truck goes electric. The Ford F-150 Lightning continues to dominate the electric truck segment in 2025. Building on the legacy of the iconic F-Series, the Lightning blends familiar toughness with modern electric innovation. The latest model offers improved battery technology, providing a driving range of up to 450 miles. Dual electric motors deliver over 700 horsepower, allowing the truck to tow up to 12,500 pounds while maintaining a smooth and quiet ride. One of the standout features of the F-150 Lightning is its intelligent backup power, which allows the truck to serve as a power source for your home during outages. Inside, the truck boasts a luxurious yet functional interior with a massive infotainment screen powered by Ford's Sync 5 system. Ford's commitment to practicality extends to the Mega Power Frunk, a massive front trunk offering additional cargo space. Whether for work or adventure, the F-150 Lightning remains a versatile and dependable electric truck. 3. Rivian R1T, the adventure-ready electric truck. Rivian has established itself as a serious player in the electric vehicle market, and the 2025 R1T continues to capture the imagination of adventure seekers. With an emphasis on rugged performance, the R1T is built for off-road capabilities while offering a luxurious driving experience. The quad-motor system produces over 850 horsepower, enabling the truck to conquer the toughest terrains. Its range has increased to 450 miles, and with rapid charging technology, you can add 140 miles of range in just 20 minutes. The R1T's unique features include the gear tunnel, a storage compartment between the cab and bed, and a built-in kitchen option, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin combines premium materials with cutting-edge technology, including Rivian's advanced driver assistance suite. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or commuting to work, the Rivian R1T delivers a blend of power, sophistication, and sustainability. Four, Chevrolet Silverado EV, the workhorse of the future. Chevrolet's Silverado EV is a testament to the brand's ability to innovate while staying true to its work truck roots. In 2025, the Silverado EV boasts a range of over 500 miles on a full charge and an impressive towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. With up to 780 horsepower from its dual electric motors, it combines raw power with efficiency. What sets the Silverado EV apart is its multi-flex midgate, allowing you to extend the truck bed for greater cargo versatility. The interior is designed for comfort and connectivity, featuring a massive 17-inch infotainment screen and advanced driver assistance systems. The Silverado EV also includes hands-free driving capabilities through Chevrolet's Super Cruise system, making long hauls easier and safer. With a blend of rugged capability and modern technology, the Silverado EV is built for both work and play. 5. GMC Sierra EV, luxury meets performance. For those seeking a more luxurious electric truck, the GMC Sierra EV delivers. It offers a blend of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and formidable performance. The 2025 Sierra EV features a range of 440 miles and produces 750 horsepower with its dual-motor setup. This truck is designed for those who demand power without sacrificing comfort. The Sierra EV also includes the innovative crab walk feature, allowing diagonal movement for enhanced maneuverability in tight spaces. Inside, the cabin is adorned with leather and wood accents, while the advanced infotainment system keeps you connected on the go. With Super Cruise hands-free driving and a versatile bed, the GMC Sierra EV is a premium electric truck that doesn't compromise on capability. Six, Ram 1500 REV, power and innovation. Ram's first fully electric truck, the 1500 REV, is a powerful contender in the electric truck arena. The 2025 model boasts over 900 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful electric trucks on the market. It offers a 500-mile range and can tow up to 14,000 pounds. The Ram 1500 REV emphasizes innovation with a next-gen infotainment system and a digital cockpit. The truck also features a spacious frunk for additional storage and advanced off-road capabilities. With air suspension for a smoother ride and multiple drive modes, the 1500 REV is designed for both work and weekend adventures. Seven. Toyota Tacoma EV, the compact powerhouse. Toyota enters the electric truck market with the Tacoma EV, a compact but mighty truck. It delivers 450 horsepower and a range of 350 miles, perfect for urban and off-road driving. The Tacoma EV emphasizes durability and reliability while offering modern technology such as advanced driver assistance and a panoramic infotainment system. Its smaller size makes it ideal for city dwellers who still want the utility of a truck. 8. Hummer EV, the off-road beast. The 2025 Hummer EV continues to impress with its off-road prowess and high-tech features. It offers 1,000 horsepower and a range of 400 miles. The Hummer EV features advanced off-road capabilities like the crab walk and extract mode for navigating challenging terrain. The interior is a mix of rugged durability and high-tech luxury, making it a standout in the electric truck market. Nine. Lordstown Endurance, the work-focused electric truck. The Lordstown Endurance focuses on utility and affordability. With 600 horsepower and a 300-mile range, it is built for work environments. Its in-wheel motor technology improves efficiency and traction. The simple, functional interior makes it ideal for commercial use while offering modern safety features. The electric truck market in 2025 is filled with groundbreaking vehicles that redefine performance, sustainability, and innovation. Each model offers unique strengths, from the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck to the work-ready Ford F-150 Lightning and the adventure-focused Rivian R1T. As battery technology advances and consumer demand grows, electric trucks are poised to become the new standard. Whether you prioritize power, range, luxury, or utility, there's an electric truck in 2025 for every driver. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the exciting world of electric vehicles.